Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the phone and opening settings so changes won't interrupt you. Tap Settings, then search for Buttons, Gestures, or System. These menus host navigation controls. Make sure your device has more than 20% battery and is unlocked, because you may be prompted to restart or confirm actions. Once you locate the navigation or home button options, pause and note the current navigation mode, button layout, or gesture, so you can revert if needed. Now you change how the home button works by selecting navigation and gestures or buttons. You'll see options like 3-key navigation, 2-key, or full gestures. Pick the one that fits your workflow, because gestures free screen space while buttons give tactile feedback. If the phone allows, customize double tap and long press actions. Assign app shortcuts or assistant. Make adjustments and test immediately by pressing the home control, so you confirm both behavior and comfort before finishing. Finish by saving or applying changes, then test the new home button behavior across apps, because some launchers handle navigation differently. If something feels off, reboot the phone first. Restarts clear transient UI issues. If problems persist, go back to settings and reset navigation to default or switch modes. As a last resort, update your system software or contact Vivo support. Developers may have fixes for known bugs, and they can guide you through logs or advanced resets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.